Yeah, so we started using Honest Wrenches about 6 years ago. Working with the group is great. They're almost like family in some ways, in that you can come in, they know the kids' names, they know pets' names, they really know who you are as an individual, as a family, and they're always there to help. So some of the services that really help out and really make me come to Honest Wrenches and utilize their service is not only their team, but also the digital reports, just getting an idea of what's going on, seeing those photographs, seeing what needs to get attention right away and what can wait. Loaner vehicles, those being free to be able to utilize while they are repairing your vehicle. So if it is going to be an extended period of time, that you're not out of vehicle going, well, how am I going to get to work? How am I going to get the kids to different appointments? And even now, recently, they've added they'll come and pick up the vehicle. And so there's times they will come to my house, or they'll come to my place of business, and they will pick up the vehicle and bring it into the shop. I recommend Honest Wrenches if you're an individual that wants your vehicle taken well care of, and you want to know what truly is going on with that vehicle through the digital reports and the relationships that you build with the team at Honest Wrenches.